Hi there, it's Walter here from FX Jake, and I just wanted to take a look at, actually just follow up on the last trade we had on the Swiss. That one actually didn't work out. You recall we had a sell. Let me zoom in here so you can see it. We had a sell down here at 90.42. You can see the market did just trade slightly lower than the low here of this candle and did trigger the 90.42, but then it just rocketed off and it did stop out up at 91.35, and that was right about there. So it did get stopped out on that candle. Hindsight being what it is, it looks like it was kind of squeezed between this area and this area. So this sort of trend line looking thing and this one, and it squeezed to the upside rather than the downside. So that trade's over, obviously, and has been for a few days. But I do want to take a look at something really nice looking, which is on the US dollar Singapore dollar. If you haven't traded this pair, I would encourage you to take a look at it and back test it any way that you like to back test. I like to use Forex Tester. But here you see what we have here is price has been stuck from February all the way until it broke out here in April, mid-April. There were a couple of fake outs here, there. There's a kangaroo tail down there. Fake out there, there. But here we have a breakout. It did briefly come back and touch it, but I think actually this is probably a much nicer touch because I like to see the market actually trade away from the box before touching it. And here, every single one of these candles outside the box actually came back and touched the box. So although this could be considered a touch, this candle actually closed inside the box, which for me is not ideal. Whereas this one right here is really nice touch. That's a really nice touch. The market actually even gapped up. So this is how I'm going to play this one. I'm going to go ahead and put my sell stop below the low of yesterday's daily candle. That's at 1.2445, 1.2445. I'm going to put my stop loss in the middle of the box. That's an emergency stop loss at 1.2569. Okay, 1.2569. Now, if the market comes up and closes inside the box, so if it closes above, let's say 25.10, if a daily candle closes above 25.10, then I'll close my trade. Now, what I want to do is first take profit all the way down here at 23.60. And then, if it keeps going here, I have a really excellent opportunity because if you look at the chart and you sort of peel it back here, you can see that it's going to be a ways before this market runs into any support. And all the way down here at 23 would be the next level. So there you go. I've got two profit targets on this trade. Again, it's a sell stop at 1.2445. My stop loss goes at the midpoint of the box. That's going to be at 25.69. And my first target's down here at 23.60. And my second target is all the way down here at 23 even. I wish you very happy trading until the next video, and we'll see you soon. Bye.